1. Choose the correct sentence. A. He don't like coffee. B. He doesn't like coffee. C. He doesn't likes coffee. Two. Synonym of brave. A. Coward. B. Courageous. C. Fearful. Three. I'm looking forward dash your reply. A. To. B. For. C. At. Four. Which word is an adverb? A. Quick. B. Quickly. C. Quickness. Five. They dash gone to the market. A. Has. B. Have. C. Had. Six. Antonym of strong. A. Weak. B. Powerful. C. Bold. Seven. The opposite of old is A. Elder. B. Young. C. Aged. Eight. He dashed to school every day. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Going. Nine. Once in a blue moon means A. Often. B. Very rarely. C. Every day. Ten. She is taller dash her brother. A. Then. B. Than. C. To. (11) I dash him yesterday. A. C. B. Saw. C. Seen. (12) Synonym of smart. A. Clever. B. Dull. C. Foolish. (13) I have been here dash morning. A. Since. B. For. C. From. (14) The boy dash playing in the garden. A. Are. B. Is. C. B. (15) Antonym of beautiful. A. Ugly. B. Nice. C. Gorgeous. 16. I dash to be a doctor. A. Want. B. Wants. C. Wanted. (17) Which one is a noun? A. Run. B. Happy. C. Book. (18) I go to the gym evening. A. At. B. On. C. Every. (19) The plural of knife is A. Knives. B. Knife. C. Knives. (20) Break a leg means A. Get hurt. B. Good luck. C. Fight. (21) They dash English fluently. A. Speaks. B. Speak. C. Spoke. (22) I was born December. A. On. B. In. C. At. (23) He has not arrived A. Now. B. Yet. C. Still. (24) What is the past tense of buy? A. Buyed. B. Bought. C. Brought. (25) Antonym of happy. A. Glad. B. Sad. C. Joyful. (26) I dash my keys at home. A. Forget. B. Forgot. C. Forgotten. (27) The sky is dashed today. A. Cloudy. B. Cloud. C. Clouded. (28) We dash studying English now. A. Are. B. Is. C. Am. (29) Choose the correct question. A. What he is doing. B. What is he doing? C. What doing he is. (30) Synonym of lazy. A. Active. B. Idle. C. quick. (31) He been to Canada twice. A. Has. B. Have. C. Had. (32) The girls dancing. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was. (33) I finish my homework. A. Has. B. Have. C. Had. (34) Antonym of fast. A. Quick. B. Rapid. C. Slow. The dog is barking. The gate. A. At. B. On. C. From. She already eaten lunch. A. Have. B. Has. C. Had. What is the plural of leaf? A. Leaves. B. Leaves. C. Leaves. I a message from him yesterday. A. Receive. B. Receive. C. Receiving. The opposite of sharp. A. Dull. B. Pointed. C. Thin. Which is a proper noun? A. School. B. Boy. C. London. Choose the correct spelling. A. Occurred. B. Occurred. C. Occurred. He drives then his brother. A. Good. B. Better. C. Best. The children playing football. A. Is. B. A. C. Was. Which is an adjective? A. Dance. B. Beautiful. C. Quickly. I tea every morning. A. Drinks. B. Drinks. C. Drank. piece of cake means A. Something easy, B. Something tasty, C. Something heavy. She arrived dash time. A. On B. In C. At. Synonym of rich. A. Wealthy, B. Poor, C. Humble. We will meet dash Friday. A. On B. In C. At. Antonym of truth. A. Lie, B. Honest, C. Fact.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments.